Hi there, Mr. Young here again, just to clarify a wee bit on parallel circuits here. We're working out the total resistance in a parallel circuit. We can do it in a couple of different ways, three different ways actually you can do it, but some people have been doing it the 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, which is perfectly feasible. And you can do it no problem. You can do it either the way of it using a common denominator. So in this problem here, both of these numbers, the 12 ohms, what do they divide evenly into? Well, they both divide evenly into 12. So 12 into 12 goes once, and obviously 12 into 12 goes once. That leaves you 2 over 12, of which you do is you swap these around and you say 12 over 2 is equal to 6 ohms. So that's one way of working out common denominator, finding out what the resistors both divide evenly into. I could have put these as 24 and they'd both divide into 24 twice, and then it would still be 4 over 24, which you'd find is 6. Okay. Another way of doing it, I said, if you couldn't work out what the common denominator is, you can actually physically divide these, so divide 1 into 12, which you'll find is 1 divided by 12 is 0.83 plus 0.83, which gives you a total of like 0.17 or something is your total answer. What you'd have to do is physically divide that 1 divided by, because that's still 1 over RT. So to get the total resistance there, you need to take the 1 across, so 1 would equal 1 divided by 0.17, which should give you about 6 ohms, there or thereabout, depending on your rounding, maybe just over, but it should be about 6 ohms. Third way of doing it is using RT. This only works for 2 resistors, remember, only for the 2, R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2, which should be 24, which should be 12 times 12, sorry, it's getting confused with the bottom one there, over 12 plus 12, so 144 divided by 24, which, surprise surprise, is 6. So 3 ways of doing it. If you are just doing the 1 over and physically dividing this so you've got the number, then remember that's still 1 over RT, and you have to take that 1 over away to get the total resistance, hence the reason I've done that. But all 3, version 1, 2 or 3, work. The easiest way of doing it is using this formula. If there's only 2 resistors in parallel, use this, and if there's more than 2, use this or this. Okay, that's the easiest way.